Do you know that your iPhone can actually turn into a smart bedside display overnight? But most users don't know standby mode exists. In today's video, I'll show you how to use night mode or standby mode on your iPhone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Standby. Toggle the option on for standby. This will enable the standby mode when your iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames or clocks. Toggle the option on for night mode, and this will display standby with a red tint in low ambient lighting. You can also enable the phone to show notifications in this mode by toggling this option on, and you can choose to show preview on tap only. Once you are done, you can plug your phone to charge it, tilt it sideways, and once the screen goes off, you can see the standby and night mode. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and